Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pritam Paul and this is the first video of MATLAB. Okay. In this video, we will talk about the introduction part of MATLAB. Okay. So this is the basic layout of MATLAB. Okay. So I will talk about few things. Okay. So let's start. This is the introduction. Okay, what is MATLAB? Okay, it is MATLAB is a software which is widely used to solve the different types of scientific problems. Okay, what kind of scientific problems? In the upcoming videos, we will talk about those also. Okay, the basic data structure is a complex double precision matrix. Okay, what is complex double precision matrix? We will talk about this later. Okay, first of all, just this is a basic introduction, so I am not going to the deeper section. Variable, let's talk about variable names also. There are some rules you have to follow. Okay, the variable names which start with a letter, it may contain letters, digits and underscores, and it is MATLAB is case sensitive. That means capital A and small a are not same. Okay, now what is the language and technical computing? Okay, millions of engineers and scientists worldwide use MATLAB to analyze and design the systems and the product transforming our world. Okay, MATLAB is in automobile, active safety systems, interplanetary spacecrafts, health monitoring devices, smart power grids, LTE cellular networks, etc., etc. It is also used for machine learning, signal processing, image processing, computer vision, communications, computer finance, control design, and robotics, etc., etc. There are lots of advantages as you can see here. Okay, so I can conclude that in every engineering department. Okay, if you are an engineering college, so you must learn MATLAB. Okay, because it is very, very, very essential for research, for industry, everywhere. It has a big role. Okay, to the modern world. So we can conclude this. Okay, then math, graphics and programming. Okay, MATLAB platform is used for solving engineering and scientific problems. The matrix based MATLAB language is the world's most natural way to express the computational mathematics. Built-in graphics makes it easy to visualize and gain insights from the data. A vast library of pre-built toolboxes lets you get started right away with algorithms essential to your domain. Okay, in which domain you are in, it doesn't matter. Okay, MATLAB you have to know. This is the most important thing. MATLAB you have to know. Okay, all kinds of algorithm would be used by MATLAB. Okay, in all domain. It has a very, very, very big role. Okay, so you should not, means you must learn MATLAB. Basic MATLAB you should learn. What are the basic key features of MATLAB? High level language for scientific and engineering computing. Okay, the language which is used in MATLAB is a high level programming language. Okay, if you do not know what is high level programming language and low level programming language, then check out the C programming lecture videos. There you will get to know what are the things. Okay, now desktop environment tuned for iterative exploration, design and problem solving. Graphics for visualizing data and tools for creating custom plots. Apps for curve fitting, data classification, signal analysis, control system tuning, and so on. Okay, add-on toolboxes for a wide range of engineering and scientific platform applications. Then tools for building applications with custom user interface. Okay, MATLAB will give the support to the user to make custom user interface for using it. Okay, now interfaces to C, C++, Java, Python, SQL, Hadoop, MS Excel, everywhere. Those in every platform, those kind of interfaces also MATLAB provides you. Okay, now let's talk about the MATLAB. Okay, this is the basic layout of MATLAB. Okay, you can see this double greater than sign where MATLAB prompt tells us that MATLAB is ready to work. Okay, ready for your command. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, here this is the MATLAB prompt. It means that MATLAB is ready for my work. Okay, here it is also, it is written that ready. Okay, if here busy was there or working was there, then MATLAB is busy. You should not put any kind of command to MATLAB for any kind of work. Okay. Okay, now MATLAB layout. Okay, normally there are 1 to 4 windows can be selected to appear view. Okay, there are view options also. This is older version of MATLAB. Okay, but in newer version of MATLAB there are means this is not static. Okay, you can put anything. Let me show you. You can just put it here, or you can customize it. Okay, command window here, then folder is here. Okay, so you can easily you can make the whole window here also. Okay, so yeah, here this is command, this is workspace, so I want to make it. Okay, yeah, this is the way. Okay, command window again. Okay, so this is customized layout system is there. So okay, okay, now this is current directory window and this is command history window. We will get go through all these things. Now MATLAB assignment. Okay, let me finish the PPT first. After that I will show you in MATLAB practically. Okay, MATLAB assignment. For example, this is the MATLAB prompt. Okay, a equal to 2.3. After pressing it 2.30, this is the output. Okay, so this is the MATLAB prompt and it indicates that MATLAB is ready for accept your command. Okay, this is the MATLAB command and this is the result. Okay, now MATLAB, how can we use MATLAB as a calculator? Okay, so this is the MATLAB command and this is the result. Okay, I will show you. Okay, in MATLAB software I will show you. Now this is a very interesting thing. Okay, let us take a variable a equal to 1 and after that put the semicolon. After that if you put enter, there will be nothing. Okay, there will be no output, because if you end a statement with a semicolon in MATLAB performs the computation but suppress the display of the output in the command window. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, a equal to 1. Okay, semicolon. Okay, as you can see here in workspace, okay, a variable has been created which has a value 1, but it has not printed out. Okay, but if I write a equal to 1 and after that press enter, a equal to 1, this will be the output, because if you end a statement without a semicolon, MATLAB performs the computation and display of output in the command window. Let's check it out. A equal to 1. Okay, as you can see here, a equal to 1 has been printed out. Okay, now if I write sine a, sine is the trigonometric function sine, which is perpendicular and the ratio perpendicular and hypotenuse. Okay, sine, sinusoidal function, which is okay, sine 1. Okay, this will be the output, answer 0.8415. You can say that, yeah, what is the value of sine 1? Okay, 0.814. Now this is the factor when you do not specify any output variable. Here I just specified that a equal to 1. Okay, a is the output variable, but here there is no output variable defined. So when we do not specify any output variable, MATLAB uses the variable answer, short form of answer. Okay, ANS. Okay, ANS is the output variable, inbuilt output variable to store the results of your calculation. Okay, for example 1. Okay, answer equal to 1. Okay, sine a. Okay, okay, answer is 0. Okay, then sine 0. Okay, answer is 0. Okay, now if you put a equal to sine 1, okay, semicolon. Okay, there is no output because due to the semicolon, but answer a is now this. Okay, answer is 0 because this is the default variable, output variable. Okay, now if I write a and press enter, so you can say that you can see here that a equal to this has been printed out. Okay, now if I write a semicolon, there is nothing, but a answer is there. So I think it must be clear to you all. Okay, now we have written all those things now. So if we want to go back and recall the previous commands, you just have to press the up and down key, arrow in the keyboard. Okay, let's okay, up. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, everything which I have written, everything is there. Okay, now if I add up and then down, okay, up and down, using up and down, we can put here. Okay, we can go to the previous command history also. Okay, now let's talk about this. Okay, this is the MATLAB prompt which I have told you, and it indicates that MATLAB is ready to accept your command. And after that, we have put the command 39.44 plus 5, and which gives the output 176.6000. Okay, now how it has come. Okay, in programming or in basic mathematics also, you just gone through the Bodmash rule. Okay, which will indicate that the multiplication would be done fast. Okay, and in the second portion, the addition will be implemented. Okay, will be calculated. So here also, this is the result by the same way. Okay, now let's go to the section and check. Okay, 5 into 2 plus 2, 1. Okay, so 5 into 2 is 10, and then 1. Okay, so 11 has been printed out. As we didn't put semicolon here. Okay, that's why the output has been printed out. If we put equal to 4 into 4 into 3 plus 7 minus 3 into 2. Okay, what will be the output? 4 into 4. Okay, just for the ease of the calculation, we just erase this. Okay, 4 into 4 is 16, and 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, now 16 plus 7 is okay, what will be 23 minus 6, which will be 17. Okay, I think you got it. Okay, this is the basic mathematics. Okay, the Bodmash rule is applied here. So we can see here. Okay, if I put semicolon, there will be no output. Now we have written lots of commands here. Okay, how to clear all these things? By CLC. Okay, using CLC, you can clear the command window. Okay, you can clear the screen. Okay, now how to clear the workspace? Okay, CLER clear all. Okay, you can see that workspace has been cleared. Okay, so this is the basic introduction of MATLAB. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, and press the bell icon so that every video could be notified to you. Okay, thank you very much. And if you want me to make more videos on MATLAB, please comment below there and let me know what are your doubts in MATLAB, what kind of work you want to do. So I will make those videos also. Okay, thank you very much. This much for today.